This is Chris Downs with IMTS TV. I'm here with Jack Burley, a Vice President at Big Kaiser. He's going to be talking about some of their digital boring systems today. Jack, thanks for joining me. Could you tell me a little bit about who Big Kaiser is and what you guys do?
Yeah, we're a precision manufacturer of tools and tooling systems, also inspection equipment. Our niche is more into the high-end, high accuracy, high production, that area of expertise and solution capability.
And what kind of sets you apart from some of your other competitors here?
I think that what sets us apart most would be our ability to dissect customer requests and give them the best tool for their request and not just something that fits in all brand. We're more into the nitty-gritty, the specifics of what the customer is really looking for with a high accuracy, highly developed tooling solution.
Okay, great. And I heard that you guys have some very exciting news. You were an honorable mention for the IMTS Innovation Award for an exhibitor product. Could you tell us a little bit about the digital boring system that got the honorable mention?
Yeah, thanks. We were very honored to get honorably mentioned for that. It's been a long time coming. We've had a lot of time and work putting into our digital tools. As a company, we've always been more of the mechanically based. To go into digital platforms for us now is kind of new for us within the last 5 or 6 years. So to get into that area has been really exciting because it's a lot of new challenges that come into it.
That's fantastic. And could you tell us a little bit about what the system actually does and how it can benefit the consumer?
Yeah, what we're trying to do in the realm of like Industry 4.0 is we're trying to make all of our tools more operator friendly. As we look at the skills and maybe the skills gaps that are out there, we're trying to bring more of the information into the hands of the operator so they have real-time abilities to know what they need to do, when they need to do it, and they don't have to rely on a lot of old-time expertise and job experience. So it's a very good tool for companies that are looking for workforce development, new generation, where they're looking at processes that have still high accuracy, but the level of skill that the operators have isn't nearly as what it used to be. So the digital tools allow for a rather less qualified or skilled person to do the same work as somebody that was even more qualified, say 10 or 20 years ago.
Great, and I hear that you guys also have some maintenance and inspection equipment on display here at IMTS?
Yeah, we do. It's kind of interesting stuff because we have a lot of capability for our customers to be able to inspect some of their machines and what condition they're in, like spindle taper. A lot of customers have a lot of difficulty finding out if their spindles are in good condition. We have the inspection devices for that, and we have in-process offset inspection devices, automatic tool change devices, all kinds of unique process capability for inspecting the CNC machine on a day-to-day maintenance schedule.
Awesome, and so you've talked a lot about kind of the digital realm that Big Kaiser is moving towards. Can you talk a little bit about how all that fits in with your vision for the future of manufacturing and where Big Kaiser fits in that future?
Well, I think we're in a good position to be in the future of where digitalization is going to go. Obviously, as companies evolve, machines evolve, the tools have to evolve with it. And it's been, as I said, about 6 years that we've been working on some of these digitalization platforms. It's only going to get better, more capable, more connected to all their systems. We're working on digitalization of the tools where operators are not needed anymore. It's all programmed into it. The boring system as a process is still one of the last types of tools that operators have to work and keep in consistent size. And we're working now to make a completely closed-loop automated process there. So I feel really strong that Big Kaiser is really at the head of the pack when we look at what we can do digitally and where we're going to be in 10 years from now.
Jack, thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to come over to the West Hall and visit Big Kaiser's booth if you'd like to learn more, or you can go to their website, bigkaiser.com. This is Chris Downs for IMTS TV signing off.